Welcome to our Maserati showroom here in EDSA, Connecticut. We just launched two new fully electric vehicles, luxury vehicles that is. The first one is the Maserati Grand Cabrio, the first Italian luxury convertible that is fully electric. It is here now in the Philippines. We call it the Folgore era. Folgore in Italian means lightning. So this is the car that we just launched today. 4-seaters. Later I'll show you. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Nandito po kami sa Maserati showroom namin in EDSA, Connecticut. So we just launched again two fully electric luxury vehicles. We call it the Folgore, 100% electric. The first car that we launched is the Grecale, our SUV that is fully electric. And of course, the Grand Cabrio, the first Italian convertible luxury vehicle that is fully electric.
We're ready.
Yan po yung interior niya. So, hello Romel, hi April, Edgar, kamusta kayong lahat? Huwag kayong mag-alala, positive vibes, good vibes lang tayo tonight. We just came from Japan. Kakagaling ko lang doon to meet our Filipino community. Now, I'm back to work here in our Maserati showroom. I just launched the Maserati Grand Cabrio fully electric. Of course, with my business partner, Modi Lamas, my brother-in-law. Tito Willie Sung, ang nag-build and nag-start ng Maserati in the Philippines 2003, dito? 2003. Chip.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to everyone. To our Maserati team, congratulations. So, I'm inviting everyone. Andito lang po kami sa EDSA, Connecticut, Maserati showroom. The fully electric, the first ever Italian convertible na fully electric. So, it's luxury, performance, heritage because we're 110 years old na. The brand is 110 years old. You can never go wrong with heritage and of course, exclusivity. Konti lang po ang Maserati kaya tinatawag silang exclusive dahil hindi siya mass production. Konti lang ang pinoproduce ng Maserati. And konti lang yung may mga Maserati. You don't just buy the car, you buy the experience, you buy the exclusivity. Sometimes they call it status. But you know, kumusta kayong lahat? Of course, kasama natin is Rian Ramos. And our head of...
You're live!
Yes, I'm live. And of course, may bisita tayo from Hong Kong, our head of Southeast Asia, Miss Madam Wallace Wong. Yeah. And we're live here in our Maserati showroom. Ano masasabi mo to sa bagong launch natin na fully electric Maserati Grand Cabrio, the first ever Italian convertible car?
So, the thing is, I have to be honest, I've never driven it, okay? But I've seen so many videos and reviews and ang ganda talaga ng mga reviews on this car. And just seeing it in the flesh and seeing how beautiful it is. Did you show already?
Not fully, but pinakita ko lang yung exterior, some interiors, but to tell them, it has a 760 horsepower that can drive from Manila to Baguio and back to Manila, fully charged, one charging lang.
Wow!
Wala nang gas-gas para tipid.
Yeah.
Diba? Wala nang...
Maserati para tipid, ano? Narinig nyo ba yun? Para tipid.
Tipid sa oras. Hindi ibig sabihin
Okay,
tipid sa gas.
okay.
Kasi wala nang gas eh. Wala ka nang tinitipid sa gas.
Sorry. Girlfriend mo
Magtitipid-
nang babasag all
Oo,
the time.
binabasag ako lagi.
All
nito.
the time.
Magtitipid ka sa oras. Kasi minsan,
Oh.
alam mo, minsan ang pinaka valuable na bagay sa mundo is oras.
Time. Time talaga.
Hindi mo na mababalik yan eh. So,
No, we know that.
kung hindi mo na kailangan magpagas, dire-diretso kang Baguio, balik ka rito.
Hi, Josephine. Hi, Josephine.
Ay, Josephine.
But it's a beautiful, beautiful car. Pakayabang niya tignan.
Sabi ko, sometimes you just...
I can't wait to hear the sound though. Alam mo yon, iba pa rin yung pag na-start mo, narinig mo.
And you feel it.
It's
It's the feeling. Actually,
I'm so
dun sa mga babae natin, we don't just sell yung mga kotse, we don't just sell cars. We sell the feeling of owning a Maserati.
Of course.
It's the exclusivity kasi konti lang siya eh. Hindi siya mass-produced.
Hindi
So,
naman lahat din kasi
hindi lahat kaya makabili.
magkakamaserati.
So it's very aspirational, you know. Ako galing ako sa wala. When I was young, pangarap ko magkaroon ng Italian luxury vehicle. And doon sa mga nagtatanong po ano yung Maserati, it's a sports car and a luxury car in one. Pero ngayon, ginawa pa siyang electric. So, the first
Whenever
ever.
I see one on the road though, the feeling for me is it gives me like this sense of pride for that person. It's like it's a marker that you've really achieved something.
And you've worked hard for it.
You've worked
It's
hard
not
for
like
it.
parang wala lang, nagkaroon ka lang ng kotse kaya putya, pinaghirapan mo yan.
Oo.
Talagang tinabaho mo yan. So, doon sa mga up-and-coming entrepreneurs, yung mga businessman, mga nakikilala ko, congratulations pala ha. Recently, may mga bumili ng Maserati Grecale.
Oh, yes!
Binabati ko si Ma'am Wina ng Above Sea Level and si Sir Oyos ng Ube Cake lahat sa
Ayan.
Mindanao.
Yung Grecale, I've been in it, I've driven it, I've used it, and it's such a comfortable
Yes.
car na talagang... Let's just say I've been in a lot of cars. I used to host a motoring show, and I've driven a lot of cars.
Race car driver pa yan.
Before. And it's really one of the most comfortable cars that I've ever driven. Super enjoyable and very responsive. So congratulations dun sa mga nakabili ng
Yes,
Grecale.
congratulations. And to the future owners, nandito lang po kami sa EDSA, Connecticut. Nandito po kami, yung Maserati showroom namin. If you feel that you deserve a gift for yourself because of
It's a
your hard
treat
work,
yourself kind of moment.
this is your time. Kakalabas lang po ng Maserati Grecale and Maserati Grand Cabrio fully electric. And yeah, you deserve it.
If you were to choose one, do you like yung Folgore yung Grecale?
Pareho silang Folgore. It means
Ay,
liking
sorry,
fully
sorry.
electric.
Yeah.
Ang tanatanong ni Miss Rian, kung gusto ko daw yung Grand Cabrio, yung top-down,
Yung convertible.
convertible,
Oo.
or yung SUV.
Oo.
Depende. Pang araw-araw ko, yung Grecale na SUV,
Ako yung SUV.
yun yung pang araw-araw. Pero, kumari, di-date kita, sa tayo ng Tagaytay, or
Iba pa rin
kahit,
yung dating.
kahit sa EDSA, kahit traffic, basta top-down, kasama ka, okay lang. Dahil iba kasi pag top-down, di ba? Alam mo na may mga Pilipino, yung napifeel mo yung hangin, tsaka usok, kasi nasa Pilipinas. Iba eh, di ba? Biro lang, pero wala lang.
Araw.
Kinakamusta ko lang kaya yung mga kababayan natin. We just came from Japan. Kasama namin yung mga Filipino community. So, mabatiin yung mga kababayan natin sa Japan.
Yes, ako gusto ko batiin yung mga global Pinoys natin sa Japan, lalo na yung mga pumunta dun sa
Pistang Pilipino.
Pistang Pilipino. So happy to meet you and thank you
Hi,
for
Karen
your wonderful
Castro.
energy. Nakakatuwa. Sobrang enjoyable yung buong trip namin and sobrang enjoyable yung ma-meet kayong lahat. Nasepangs ako agad.
Sepangs. Alexis
Super.
Bernardo, future owner here. Siyempre,
Manifesting.
congratulations in
Yes,
advance,
let's
Alexis.
go. Ayan, so thank you sa lahat ng pumunta dun sa Osaka para ma-meet kami. Sobrang nakakatuwa po talaga na ma-meet kayong lahat. I really enjoyed our time together.
Carding, huwag kang mag-alala, malapit na yan.
Ano ba?
Thank you, Boo.
Love you.
So, dito si Bubo to support me all the way. Yun ang minamahal natin. Sinuportahan tayo, hindi lang sa kampanya sa eleksyon sa Maynila, hindi pati sa mga ginagawa natin, sa negosyo natin. Yung iba kasi kala nila bumibili ako ng kotse sa Maserati. Hindi po ako bumibili. Ako po yung presidente at taga-benta po kami rito. Ako po yung nagbibenta ng...
Gusto niyo malaman kung sino yung bumili? Charot.
Ako po yung nagbibenta lang ng mga
May
sasakyan.
chika ako.
Hanggang ngayon nagtatrabaho pa rin ho ako. Alam nyo, para doon sa mga kababayan natin nagtatanong. Alam mo, nasa Japan ako, marami nagtatanong sa akin, paano umasenso? Magsipag ka. Alam mo, hindi porket nakapagbenta ka o kumita ka ng konti, kapos na. Tuloy-tuloy po yan hanggang may buhay, hanggang nabubuhay ka. Trabaho ka lang, magsipag ka, be the best at what you do. And be a likable person kasi yung mga tao bumibili sa mga taong gusto nila. Kaya be a likable person, be a kind person. Tapos, galingan mo. Alam mo, in time, makukuha mo rin yung pangarap mo basta nagsipag ka, consistent ka, committed ka, at focus ka. Walang distraction, at disiplinado ka. Hindi natin kailangan ng motivation. Kasi marami na motivate. Huwag ho kayo basta-basta magpa-motivate. Ang importante sa buhay, disiplina. Kasi motivation comes and go eh. So,
Yeah, that's true.
today you're motivated, tomorrow
Yung
hindi.
pinaka-importante is on the days na hindi ka motivated, gagawin mo pa rin.
Ang tawag doon is discipline.
Discipline.
So, pinaka-importante, meron kang mga habits, good habits every day, na pag
JH.
tinuloy-tuloy mo,
JHOE, it's my birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Shout out idol mga construction from Pasig Aguilar family.
Manolito Jr., shout out sa inyo. I'm a civil engineer, kaya malapit sa akin yung mga nagtatrabaho sa construction. Kasama ko yan araw-araw dati.
Happy birthday, CJ! Soliman.
CJ Soliman, happy birthday! Ganda-ganda mo naman ngayon, Bu.
Maganda ako for you.
Nalilito ako kung maganda ba yung kotse o ikaw yung maganda.
Ay, wow.
Hindi ko na alam eh.
I feel like that sounds familiar somehow.
Ako,
Familiar line. Where do you hear
hindi
that?
ko alam eh. May magandang nagsabi sa akin kanina. Pakita natin yung ano kotse.
Sige, sige.
Halika. So, papakita ko na po sa inyo yung kaka-launch lang namin na model. The Maserati Grand Cabrio. The first ever Italian fully electric convertible car in the world. Yan. Tour mo sila, bro.
Sige.
Okay? No other than Miss Rian Ramos ang magtutour. There's no other than Miss Rian Ramos will tour them.
Gosh, is that Modi Llamas?
Oh, Modigliana sa Miss Balas mo. O Southeast Asia Regional. Ayan. Go.
Tignan natin. Ay, oh.
Wala.
I was like, I can't.
Go. Wow, bagay na bagay yung sasakay. Chicks na chicks yan ah. Miss Rian, ano masasabi mo?
Guys, why do I feel like a boss? Pero ako, ganito ka ba? This is how girls get into a car, guys. Ilalapit talaga namin yung upuan. It's true. We do this thing. Ilalapit talaga namin yung upuan. Also noted, I'm in heels.
Pwede ba siya pang heels?
I don't recommend driving with heels no matter who you are. Please don't do it.
Grabe, di ba? Anong feeling?
Powerful. Electrifying. Siyempre, kailangan yan.
Pakita mo
kaya
yung,
siya inaano?
pakita mo yung ano. Ano ba to? Nasaan yung ano? Mamaya, papakuha yung key. Ay, yung key! Start mo. Naka-on na to? Hindi, pwede mo yung on. Yan. Yan.
Need help?
Yes!
To start
I
Press the
wanna try,
brake.
We're actually ready to go. The car's
Wala kang maririnig kasi nga electric. Koyo naman eh.
I don't wanna
Ganito
step on
guys,
anything, I'm afraid.
hindi niya na-gets.
We'll turn it off.
Okay, off. Okay.
Step on the brakes and then you press push start. We'll say now, ready. Okay, you're ready to go now.
How do I open and close the top?
That's okay. You'll have to press that. Press and hold it. So just start the car first.
The brake.
Yan, na-start na po niya.
Okay na?
Ready?
Basta umilaw, yun na yun.
Sige. Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
Ayan na po. Ang electric car.
Yeah, the left one.
Okay, yan na. Oops. Ayan na. Sumasara na. Sarado na siya. Boo, can you show them anong ginawa mo?
So first you press here.
Kita ba, Boom? Sorry.
Kita ba? Yeah.
Pakitapat niya.
First you press here and then what you do is you swipe and hold it. So ngayon bubuksan ko siya
Let's open.
to open it.
Ayun, nagbubukas na po siya. Wow. Swerte naman. Oliver, what's up? Noemi. So, dinedemo na ni Rian. What's up? Shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood. Magandang gabi. Dinedemo. Boo! Ang galing mo mag-demo. Grabe. Ang ganda ng kotse. Ang ganda pa nung nag-demo. Lahat na lang. Maganda.
Mas pogi ka ba? Mas pogi yung kotse.
Ay. Anyway, maraming salamat po mga kababayan ko. Magkita-kita po tayo rito again. Maserati showroom here in EDSA, Connecticut. Kita-kits po tayo. Bye!